Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Karawe. Nice one. You're all at the Papa Tākaro.
Anna, I like the balancing log.
Stretch your arms out to keep your balance, ooh. Get up. You're okay.
Look, I'm standing on one leg. I'll walk backwards.
You're very brave, ooh. It is difficult to walk backwards.
Ooh, my puku is flashing.
O Pāpā Rākau tēnei.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Kia ora, Is everyone there?
Ai.
Me ētahi. Me too.
Ngā mihi, Tākaro Tribe. You too, Wao. You're very special.
Ngā mihi, Pa.
Māmā and Pāpā Moa have invited you to the beach to play. But you must visit Kōkā first.
Ka pai, let's go see Kōkā.
Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā. We've been invited by Māmā and Pāpā Moa to the beach to play.
You might see a Kākahi, orca.
What's a Kākahi, Kōkā?
The Kākahi, orca, is the largest of the dolphin family. Its urutira dorsal fin is tall and shaped like a tapatoru triangle. It also has many big teeth.
Oh, it has big teeth.
Just a minute, Pāpā Rākau's calling you. He has your piko, backpacks to take to the beach.
Ka pai, Kōkā.
Mamariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue.
Tākaro Tribe. You've arrived.
Small problem, Pāpā Rākau. How do we get to the beach?
Pooh will take you. She won't be long.
Yay!
What did Kōkā tell you?
To watch out for a Kākahi, orca.
Do you know what a Kākahi, orca, looks like?
We know it's from the dolphin whānau and it has big teeth.
Let's take a look. What colour is the Kākahi, orca?
It's purple, black and white.
Ka rawe, Ngāti Tākaro.
Out of the way!
Sorry, my friends. The wind was a bit too strong. All aboard, Tākaro Tribe.
Don't forget your recycling bags.
Aye.
Ah, you can collect pepper, paper.
Aye.
You collect the krahe, glass.
Aye.
You're on kena, cans. Or you collect parakai, waste food. And the plastics.
Ka pai, Pāpā Rākau. It's time for our karakia. North wind blow gently, keep things firm ashore and at sea. 'Tis the place of Tangaroa, spreading to wide oceans, to long oceans. 'Tis the large domain of Tangaroa.
Don't forget, watch out, Pooh. You might see a kākahi. Orca.
Ka pai. All aboard, Tākaro Tribe. We're off.
E noho rā, Pāpā Rākau.
There's the moana. See?
Yay! Ira, look! A whānau of Kākahi, orca. It's blowing water from the top of its head.
Anna. That's the Kākahi. Orca's pōngaiuhi, nostril. It comes up to the surface to breathe.
Kākahi are like us. They don't breathe underwater.
Backpacks off so we can collect rubbish.
Oh, I found a can. I found some plastic.
That's not the right bag.
Yay!
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. Welcome to the beach.
Kia ora, Māmā Moa. Kia ora, Pēpē Moa.
I thought we might build a wharo hut. It will be good shade. It's very hot today.
Yay!
Wait, Kōkā just texted. She sent the word of the day. It's in the kete.
Where's the kitty?
There, on that toka rock.
Ka, a, ka, a, ha, e. Kākahi. Kākahi.
Kākahi is the word of the day.
Māmā Moa's building the hut. Let's go and nāwhina. Help out.
Our hut is great, Tākaro Tribe. We did it by mahi-tahi, working together.
Ka pai, Tākaro Tribe. We're off home.
Safe travels home, Tākaro Tribe. Good to see you again.
Good to see you and baby Moa again. Wait, our hands are dirty. Let's wash them. Take it
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. You're back.
Anna, it was fun making a hut with Mama and Pepe Moa.
Ka pai. Let's take a look at what our friends have been up to today.
Kākahi. Kākahi. Kākahi.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. Did you have a good day?
It was amazing.
Let's take another look at what you did today. You were invited by Māmā and Pepe Moa to the beach to play. You saw a whānau of Kākahi in the ocean. You also learned to spell the word Kākahi. K, A, K, A, H, I. Kākahi. Kākahi. Now that was an amazing day. What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Mārie. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Oroia tō mata, parai he hia o niho. Kuhuna o kakamoa e pō Māori e kuhu ki te moinga. Takoto iho ki raro,